You're watching this video to discover the top 20 best woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs to work faster, safer, and with greater precision. From innovative measuring solutions to time-saving cutting and finishing tools, these must-haves can upgrade any workshop. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman, these tools are designed to boost creativity, accuracy, and overall project quality. Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig. The Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig is a smart two-piece system that makes installing or upgrading drawer slides faster, easier, and more precise. Acting like an extra set of hands, it supports both the cabinet and drawer box during installation. Its reversible design positions slides accurately inside the cabinet, then flips outward to hold the drawer securely. Compatible with ball bearing, Euro, and undermount slides, it works with face frame and frameless cabinets. Alignment fences, non-marring pads, a built-in level, and a large clamping area ensure smooth, perfectly aligned results every time. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rules. The Woodpeckers. Paolini Pocket Rule is a precision measuring tool designed for woodworkers seeking accuracy and versatility. Featuring a sliding stop that locks for repetitive measurements or converts into a hands-free stand, it simplifies tasks like setting saw blade or router bit heights. The integrated marking gauge notch allows precise scribing, while dual-sided laser-engraved scales ensure clarity and durability available in anodized aluminum or stainless steel. With multiple lengths and graduations, this USA-made tool combines innovation, reliability, and practicality for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. Wolfcraft Universal Wedge 6946000. The Wolfcraft Universal Wedge I6946000 is a smart multifunctional 2-in-1 tool designed for precise spacing, leveling, and installation tasks. Acting as both a flat spacer and an adjustable wedge, it features a clever latching mechanism that allows multiple wedges to connect, creating custom thicknesses for flooring, window, and door installation. The built-in grid system ensures accurate measurements, while the robust plastic construction provides long-lasting durability. With a compact 35 by 60 by 6 mm size and a set of 30 pieces, this versatile wedge is ideal for countless woodworking and DIY applications. SKIL RT132 3-01 Router Table. The SKIL RT132 3-01 Router Table is a versatile and feature-packed accessory for woodworkers seeking precision and convenience. It boasts an above-the-table height adjustment system, a 24-inch aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates, and dual-sided integrated router bit storage to keep tools organized. 2 featherboards enhance guidance and reduce kickback, while the durable 26 by 16-inch laminated MDF tabletop provides a stable work surface. Additional features include a mitre gauge slot, built-in dust collection port, and a universal router mounting plate compatible with major brands, making it ideal for any workshop. Allway Contour Scrapers. The Allway Contour Scraper CS6 model is a versatile woodworking and painting tool featuring an ergonomic soft grip handle and 6 dual-shaped stainless steel blades, offering 12 contour options perfect for scraping crown mouldings, chair rails, door casings, and more. It allows precise work on concave, convex, and flat surfaces. an onboard half-round blade file lets you sharpen or customize blades for unique shapes. Easy blade changes, a convenient storage case, and durable hardened steel ensure reliable performance, while the pull stroke design prevents surface damage and reduces hand fatigue. Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. The Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig is a precision handheld drill press designed for versatile, accurate drilling on flat, round, angled, or spherical stock. Its self-centering dual cable mechanism ensures perfect alignment, while 28 hardened tool steel bushings in imperial and metric sizes guarantee play-free, precise drilling. The DJ3 handles perpendicular, axial, angled, and cylindrical drilling with ease. Constructed from durable anodized 6061 aluminum, it features an improved flip-stop system and an adjustable jaw for off-center holes, making it an indispensable tool for meticulous woodworkers and metalworkers alike. Rockler Sandpaper Storage System. The Rockler Sandpaper Storage System is a smart solution for organizing 5-inch sanding discs, featuring 3 removable, stackable trays in a durable mountable case. Its spring-loaded pins allow hands-free alignment of dust holes for quick, precise disc pickup, compatible with various patterns. Trays can be removed, stacked, and labeled for easy grit organization with non-slip feet and locking slots. The modular case design lets you build a storage wall, while integrated alignment tools, beveled edges, and rugged ABS construction make sanding efficient, clean, and long-lasting. Festool 4 902 94 FastFix Eccentric Chuck. The Festool 4 902 94 FastFix Eccentric Chuck is a precision offset attachment engineered for drilling and driving in extremely tight spaces, right up against walls, corners, and adjacent surfaces. Designed for seamless integration with Festool drills, it uses the tool-free FastFix interface for quick chuck changes and improved workflow efficiency. Its 360-degree rotating head with 16 locking positions provides perfect access at any angle, while the non-marring collar protects delicate surfaces made from durable alloy steel. It's compatible with multiple Festool models, making it a versatile upgrade for demanding woodworking tasks. Festool 5 77132 Lever Clamp MFT-HZ80. The Festool 5 7132 Lever Clamp MFT-HZ80 is a precision work holding accessory, engineered for Festool MFT/3 tables and the MW1000 mobile workshop, designed for rapid one-handed operation. It lets you clamp and release materials effortlessly, speeding up workflow during sanding, drilling, planing, or gluing. Its secure vertical clamping system grips both round and flat workpieces without slipping, while the 20mm/96mm hole pattern compatibility ensures flexible positioning across the table. With an 80mm clamping capacity and durable construction, it delivers reliable performance, though some users report fragility in the green plastic components. Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The Kreg Cabinet Door. Mounting jig is a must-have for precise and effortless cabinet door installation. Its integrated support arm acts as an extra helping hand, securely holding doors in place while you attach hinges. With 9 adjustable height positions and magnetic micro adjustment shims, it ensures accurate placement for overlays up to 2 inches. Compatible with both face frame and frameless cabinets, the Jig features Grip Max TM, anti-slip surfaces to prevent shifting, durable, easy to use, and supporting doors up to 25 pounds. It's perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Allway Original Handy Saw. The Allway Original Handy Saw is a versatile keyhole saw designed for precise cuts in tight spaces. Its 4-position blade mounting allows cutting in multiple directions without screws or clamps, while automatic blade fastening ensures quick, secure changes. Ideal for wood, metal, wallboard, and plastic, it comes with 10 TPI and 24 TPI blades for different materials. The ergonomic pistol grip handle reduces fatigue, and rigid 7.5-inch tungsten alloy blades provide durability and accuracy, making this saw perfect for DIY repairs and intricate woodworking tasks. Co-Matic PD80 EDGEBAND Trimmer. The Co-Matic PD80 EDGEBAND Trimmer is a high-precision, handheld router designed for flush trimming and rounding edges on wood, PVC, melamine, and laminate. Equipped with a powerful 450-watt motor spinning at 30,000 RPM, it ensures smooth and efficient cutting. Its 0.05mm micro adjustment scale allows exact trimming depth, while a 180-degree telescopic vacuum cover keeps surfaces clean. With versatile capabilities for corners, curves, and hollow edges, interchangeable bits, a built-in scraper, and ergonomic dual knobs, the PD80 delivers accuracy, safety, and comfort for professional quality results in any woodworking project. VEIKO Aluminum Alloy Hinge Jig. The VEIKO Aluminum Alloy Hinge Jig is a professional-grade woodworking tool designed for precise and efficient hinge installation. Crafted from durable 6061 aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it resists wear, deformation, and rust. Its adjustable offsets 3 to 6 mm, depth stop, and built-in scales ensure accurate hinge placement, while the universal anti-slip clamps secure doors without damage. The Precision Drill Guide reduces wobble for smooth drilling, compatible with standard 35mm hinge cups and multiple hinge brands. Ideal for wooden doors and cabinet panels, it simplifies and speeds up every installation. Kreg 90-degree Pocket Hole Driver. The Kreg 90-degree Pocket Hole Driver is a compact impact-rated drill attachment that converts any standard drill into a right-angle driver, perfect for reaching tight, hard-to-access spaces. Its ergonomic design allows secure, one-handed operation while maintaining control of your drill. The internal locking bit retainer keeps bits securely in place, while the included 3-inch magnetic square drive bit holds screws firmly for precise driving impact-rated and compatible with all 1/4-inch hex shank bits. This durable tool features precision metal gears for smooth, long-lasting performance, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. Yiranok Angle Setup Block. The Yiranok Angle Setup Block is a precision tool engineered for fast, accurate angle adjustments on table saws, miter saws, router tables, and other woodworking or metalworking machines. It features preset angles: 45 degrees, 54 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 75 degrees. All milled to a tight 0.0085 degrees tolerance for reliable first try accuracy. Built with a stainless steel blade and a soft anodized aluminum base, it prevents accidental tool damage. A removable magnetic knob allows hands-free positioning, while the raised reference edge eliminates measurement errors. Ideal for woodworking, plumbing, moulding, metalwork, and general DIY tasks. Stanley F MHT-81528-1 Folding Workbench. The Stanley FMHT 81528-1 Folding Workbench is a smart wall-mounted solution for workshops or garages with limited space. Its compact folding design reduces bulk, yet opens into a sturdy laminated MDF work surface strong enough for direct cutting. A built-in perforated back panel provides convenient tool storage, complemented by 10 included hooks. When properly mounted, the bench supports up to 100 kilograms, ensuring reliable performance for various tasks. With included brackets and screws, assembly is quick and easy, instantly transforming any wall into a practical, secure workspace. SKIL Chamfer Plane. The SKIL Chamfer Plane is a versatile manual woodworking tool built for fast, precise edge trimming and chamfering on wood or gypsum board. Featuring an adjustable cutting depth with clear millimeter markings, it allows accurate control over material removal. Its upgrade kit includes multiple carbon steel cutter heads for various profiles, including a 45-degree chamfer and rounded edges. Built with a P20 steel body and aluminum alloy base, it offers durability, integrated level bubbles for accuracy, and added safety features. Easy to use, portable, and highly efficient, it's ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Wolfcraft Multi-Wood Jointer. The Wolfcraft Multi-Wood Jointer, Model 2920000, is a versatile angle grinder attachment designed to deliver precise milling for a wide range of woodworking joints. Ideal for DIYers, it creates accurate flat dowel, biscuit joints, shadow gaps, miters, battens, and more. All using a compatible one-hand angle grinder with an M14 spindle thread. Its adjustable height, angle settings, and preset dowel sizing ensure clean corner, T-butt, edge-to-edge, and miter connections. With precise 8 to 10 mm slot milling, integrated 45°/90° angle stop, dust bag, and durable TCT blade, it offers reliable, efficient performance.